Okay, I just wanted to create a short little video for you today dealing with a couple questions that have popped up dealing with this situation where maybe you are asked to graph y equals the sine of negative 4x, or maybe y equals the cosine of negative 4x, something like that. Well, it's very simple, and to tackle that I just need to give you these simple reduction formulas, is what they're called. And it's just a simple truth statement. We're going to call these trig identities. There's going to be a bunch of them that we're going to learn. And here's what it says. It says that the sine of a negative angle is the same thing as the negative, or you could think negative 1 times the sine of the positive angle. And for cosine, the cosine of a negative angle, believe it or not, is the same thing as the cosine of a positive angle. So on these two problems that I wrote up here, what that means is that to graph y equals the sine of negative 4x, I just need to realize that it is the same thing as y equals negative 1 times the sine of regular 4x. And as I went over in the previous videos, sorry about that. As I went over in the previous videos, that just means that sine, instead of going up first and following this normal path, means it's going to be reflected down, and that negative is going to make it do this. All the road markers will be the same. It'll just follow an upside down path. For cosine, this means that y equals the cosine of negative 4x is the same thing as y equals the cosine of regular 4x. So there's no change. Alright, so these two graphs are exactly the same. And in the case of sine, you just pull the negative out in front, and then you'll flip the graph. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and give you the tangent reduction formula. The tangent we're not going to be graphing tangent this week. That's to come. But the reduction formula for tangent is just the tangent of a negative angle is equal to the tangent of a positive angle. And that should help you with some of the questions you had the last couple days, and with the problems I'm going to give you today. And we'll stop the video there.